In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix and succeed Google Merchant Center next feed rule fail in just 5 minutes. This is a crucial skill, especially if you are an online retailer looking to smooth out the process of feeding your product data to Google. Getting these steps right will help you avoid potential hiccups in getting your products advertised correctly. Let's dive in and see how you can tackle this effectively. First, open up your favorite web browser and head over to www.google.com/retail. Once you're there, click on the sign in button and make your way into the Merchant Center. This will get us ready to start diagnosing any issues that might be impacting your feed. Now that we're in the Merchant Center, the initial step is to scrutinize any error messages. Each error message is like a clue pointing us toward what's gone wrong. Go into the diagnostic section and carefully review the error details. This will shed light on the exact issues plaguing your feed. Next up, let's turn our attention to fixing any missing or incorrect product information. Your product feed should essentially be a well-packed briefcase containing all the essential details about your products. Think title, price, availability, link and image link. Ensure these fields are completed accurately. Ensuring these fields meet the standards is vital for your feed's approval. Once that's checked, inspect the format of your data. For example, price should be expressed numerically and not as text. The currency, product IDs, and other attributes must all be in the proper format. Catching these minor discrepancies can often resolve a major part of the problem. Moving on, let's not overlook the overall feed formatting. You should ensure your feed is correctly structured in its chosen format, be it CSV, TSV, or XML. Even something as minor as an unexpectedly placed comma can throw everything off balance. It's also important to confirm that any feed rules you're utilizing within Google Merchant Center are configured appropriately. Another point to address is ensuring that the data in your feed synchronizes harmoniously with your website. For instance, if your feed shows a product as out of stock, your website should reflect this as well. This consistency is fundamental in maintaining trust and transparency with your customers. Now, let's zero in on rectifying any specific errors in the feed. If you're encountering issues tied to particular products, for instance, discrepancies in pricing or absent identifiers, these need to be corrected in the feed directly. Once all adjustments have been executed, go ahead and click on Update, then verify whether the errors have been successfully resolved. Lastly, if after these endeavors you're still hitting a wall, don't hesitate to reach out to Google's customer support. Their team can provide the additional assistance you might need to hurdle any lingering issues, and there you have it, a straightforward path to getting your Google Merchant Center feedback on track efficiently. Following these steps should help you navigate through common errors and keep your product listings running smoothly. Thank you for watching, and best of luck with your Google Merchant efforts.